Is anyone here?
It's turning! What is that thing?
Stay calm. Let's see what you found.
Is she gonna give us detention?
I have the book. Let's go.
Look out! She means business!
I need to read this book.
What does it say? Can you read it?
Find the missing recess bell.
She's coming! Jump!
One must be rung to end her lesson forever!
She stopped! The bell must be here somewhere!
The lesson ends with the bell. The bell! It's over there!
But she is watching.
Distraction works. I'm going in. Go get that bell!
Gotta get that bell! Almost!
Hurry! Don't let her see you!
Recess time, teacher!
It's where...
Class dismissed forever!
The lesson is truly over.
What do we do with the magic bell now?
The book might have the final answer.
What does the final page say?
It's a drawing of the bell with a giant Do Not Touch sign.
Seriously? All that screaming for a lost and found sign?
The case is solved. We return the item.
To the Paw Patroller! Let's get this bell out! The haunting is over. Mission complete. Whoa! Flying trash! Look out for the bell! The bell! Catch it, Sky!
Got it! I got the bell!
Whew, that was a close call, but we got the treasure.
Treasure secured. Time for a proper recess.
Last one out buys the pup treats!
You're going down, Slowpoke! Almost out of here. Beat you to the gate.
Too late! The sky's the limit for me.
Not the fire hydrant. Wait, that's just a hose.
Oh dear. Are the puppy treats safe?
See? Always stick the landing, eventually.
You got a little dirt. Let me check that. A little fire pup shower after a scary day.
Don't forget to dry off before running.
We shut down the spooky school.